Hello friends, so what is today on my plate? I saw on the net. So is it possible to have moon on my plate? Come, let's try and see it. When the moon is not visible, it is called as new moon. After 2 to 3 days of the new moon, we see the some part of moon which is visible. It is known as crescent moon. As the moon is gaining light, it is called as waxing phase. After 7 days of new moon, we see the first quarter of the moon. After 2 to 3 days of the first quarter, we will see gibbous moon, which we will see gibbous. After 2 weeks of all the cycle, we will finally have a full moon. So here our waxing phase ends. Now the moon will return to its journey from the full moon to gibbous, from the gibbous to the quarter, then to the quarter to the crescent, and then finally the new moon. This stage ends here, and this is called as waning phase. Thank you.